What's up guys, Cece here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be doing another in the kitchen with Cece. On the menu today is some breadfruit punch. Yes, you heard right, breadfruit punch. This would be my first time doing this, so I'm excited to try it. Let's get straight into the video. Here we have our breadfruit. I already washed it. Now I'm going to cut and clean it, then we could move to the next step. Don't mind how ugly it looks on the outside. That's because this breadfruit is a bit overripe. It fell off the tree for a while now. Yeah, it's overripe. So I'm gonna cut it in half and then cut it again. I'm trying to remove the soft pieces that I'm not going to use for this drinks. This is the heart of the breadfruit. We're also going to cut that out. We don't need that. Don't eat that part. So we're going to get the heart of the breadfruit out. Then we could go ahead and peel the breadfruit and cut it up. We're going to wash these and put them to boil. Okay guys, we bring the water to a boil. We're gonna add a dash of salt. Then we're gonna add our breadfruit to the boiling water. Okay guys, breadfruit is soft, so we're gonna let them cool down for a bit, and then we could add it to a blender and start making our drinks. I'm excited to taste this because everyone's saying it's so good. Tastes better than peanut punch, pumpkin punch, all the other Jamaican drinks. They saying this one is the best, so I'm excited to try this. This is the breadfruit. We took out the pot. It's still hot. Still gonna let it cool down for a bit, but I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients in the meantime. We're gonna have some Supligen. You could use Nutriment or Ensure if you want, and we're gonna use some Guinness. You could use Guinness if you want, it's optional, or you could go with Vitamol, but I'm going to use half, I think. And we have some sweet milk, condensed milk, nutmeg. You could also add cinnamon and other spices if you like. And I already had the salt to the pot, so yeah. Only thing I'm missing that I would like to add is vanilla extract. So if you guys have that, definitely use it. If you guys could only smell how good this smells right now. This smells so good. Ooh, I'm ready. The breadfruit is room temperature, so we're just gonna add it to our blender. And remember, I think this is quarter of the breadfruit. Half of half. Now we could add the rest of the stuff. Let's go in with the Guinness. Then I'm going to use half. Half of the Guinness. The whole can of Supligen. Gonna use some nutmeg. I have the raw nutmeg that you could grate up, but just being lazy right now, I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna add nutmeg powder, and then we're gonna add this to taste, to sweeten. So you add as much as you like. I'm gonna taste it before I add any more because the breadfruit is also sweet. So that's all we're putting in this punch. Let's blend this bad boy up and give it a taste. Okay, we're done blending, and as you can see, it's pretty thick, like thick. You can see, so let's add some milk. I'm gonna add some almond milk. Should be good. And it wasn't sweet, so I'm gonna add some more condensed milk and blend it again. Okay, so I ended up adding the rest of the Guinness. So I use an entire Guinness. Oh, this consistency is good. Could add some more milk to thin it out, but it's up to your liking. This is really good. I'm gonna taste it. Taste the Guinness. Only thing I would add probably add some more nutmeg, but this is really good. I never know you could actually make breadfruit drink, breadfruit punch, but look at this. It's delicious, guys. Okay, guys, so I went back to the drawing board. I add some more stuff to it. So I add more milk, I add more nutmeg powder, and I added the rest of the condensed milk. So we use the entire condensed milk, the entire Vitamol, and the whole Supligen. Yeah. So it's gonna be thinner now, and this should be perfect. Okay, guys, moment of truth. Let's see how thick or how thin it is. Okay, much better. Ooh. But it tastes so good, guys. Oh my god, and it's so filling. So this means that you don't need to use a lot of breadfruit when you're making the punch. Like, I definitely wasn't trying to make an entire full blender of these drinks, and I used quarter of breadfruit. So you literally need like 2 slices and you're good. Anyways, guys, hope you get to try this recipe out. Let me know if you do, because if you don't, you're missing out. Like, it tastes so good. Only thing that's missing is the vanilla extract. Next time I'm going to use that. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.